Hey, are we live?
Thank you very much for inviting me to chat with you.
And thank you so much for having me on.
Here we go. Okay.
I'm here as CTO of Embed. I have the good fortune of managing everything nerdy down at Embed headquarters. So everything from the product development to understanding how our infrastructure comes together and our online space is managed, that all filters up to me and I deal with it on a daily basis. I have with me a very, very close friend and all-round ninja, Ellie Wazen from AWS. Ellie, could you introduce yourself, please?
Um, Thank you, Andy. I'm responsible. My name is Eli Wazen. I'm responsible for AWS professional services in the ASEAN region, specifically in Singapore and Malaysia. My team consists of architects, project managers, subject matter experts in a variety of domains, ranging from security to development, modernization, migration, AI. It's a big part of what we do,
Nice.
and also advisory services to help customers create and sustain cloud operating models. So it's a pretty big team and focused on customer success. Of course, that's our number one priority in AWS.
Very cool. And yeah, shout out to the AWS team. We've been working with you guys for 3 years now, and it's
Yeah.
just been going strength to strength. So it's really, really marvelous.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at this. So can you paint a picture for us here? What is the sheer size and scope of AWS's data center network? I mean, how big are you guys?
We are quite big.
Quite.
We are present in approximately 245 countries. We have 34 launched regions and many more to come. Within those regions, we have 108 availability zones, and we are, again, present in probably everywhere where Embed operates, be it West, East Coast, North America, Europe, Middle East. We're now fully running in the majority of the GCC countries, UAE, Saudi, but of course in Southeast Asia as well, where I am based and where we have had the longest collaboration with you. So we are everywhere. We, of course, have a global cloud infrastructure that is sort of characterized by being secure, by being extensive in the sense of the number of business services, technology services that could translate into business solutions that are available. And they keep almost 200, and they keep increasing. We keep adding new services. For example, recently we've released Amazon Q for helping developers as an example, and many other services. We have millions of active customers, tens of thousands of partners globally, some of whom you have worked with via us in Singapore. And we have a very large and dynamic ecosystem, and we have customers from across industries, from gaming, PCs, but also public sector, government entities, including in defense, just to highlight security requirements. And also financial services, retail, telcos, and smaller businesses across the world, including in the region where I operate. So, very large customer base, very large geographical footprint, very large sort of set of services available on a platform that is present across the globe and secure, scalable, and agile.
And definitely, I mean, we've used that to great effect.